our project management firm of the year, I'd like to call up Doron Klein from AFI Europe. Please come on up, Doron, and help us hand out this award.
And on the shortlist we have CEE, Cushman Wakefield, Gleeds Polska, GVA Polska, JLL, and Peer Group Polska.
So welcome. You must have found some new friends because you're on our jury and you're sitting back there and you have a place up here. Great. So welcome, congratulations, and thank you for helping us hand out this award.
And the winner of Project Management Company of the Year, or Gleeds, Poland.
Welcome, congratulations. Feel free to say a few words. And
good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much to jury, to everyone involved in selecting Gleeds for this prize. It's very important in this market with a lot of competition, a lot of works to be a winner. It's really a big value for me, and I'm very proud that we got this prize. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations again. Please come join us for a photo.